Good morning, family and friends. Today I'm very happy to stand here. Ladies and gentlemen, to listen to my presentation. Kingdom of Cambodia, Nation, Religion, King. First of all, I have a great honor to welcome my classes. Ladies and gentlemen, to attend to the ceremony. Now, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yeang. I'm 12 years old. I have been studying English at Cannel school, with a lot of programs for teaching such as Khmer, English, Thai, Chinese, Korean, and computer classes. And the school has experiences and high ability teachers. Today, I'm very happy to have an opportunity for showing my opinion. I would like to thank you for our teacher who educated and advised me the same as other students have been studying English at Cannel school. As I am a student here, I promise that first, I must be a good student, like the other in my family. Second, I must do stand past or be friendly to other people. Third, I must be hardworking in order to be an outstanding student. Fourth, I must follow the school discipline and pay attention from elderly advice. Fifth, I will keep our culture from one generation to another generation. Sixth, I ought to speak English well with foreigners. About Khmer value, it brings me at the end of my speaking. I wish excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to get off with this speaking. First, long life, may you live to be over 100 years old. Second, health, please have a nice fresh body color that is pleasing. Third, good health, good luck, and be happy all the time. Third, fourth, strength, may you have strength and courage. Fifth, safety is safe all the time, especially development and happiness for every family forever.
Thank you.
Good morning, family and friends. I'm very happy to stand here. Ladies and gentlemen, to listen to my presentation. Kingdom of Cambodia, Nation, Religion, King. First of all, I have a great honor to welcome the excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to attend students' ceremony. Now, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ted and 11 years old. I have been studying English at Cannel school. We have a lot of programs for teaching, such as Khmer, English, Thai, Chinese, Korean, and computer classes. And this school has experiences and high quality teachers. Today, I'm very happy to have an opportunity for showing my opinion. I would like to thank you for the teachers who educated and inspired me the same as other students have been studying English at Cannel school. As I am a student here, I promise that first, I must be a good student, nice son in my family and society. Second, I must do some best or be friendly to other people. Third, I must be hardworking in order to be an outstanding student. Fourth, I must follow the school discipline and pay attention from one elderly advice. Fifth, I will keep our culture or custom forever from one generation to another generation. Sixth, I ought to speak English well with foreigners about more value. It brings me at the end of my speaking. I wish excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, get a fine good blessing. First, long life. May you live to be over 100 years old. Second, please have a nice fresh body that is blessing. Third, good health, good luck, and be happy all the time. Fourth, strength. May you have strength and courage. Fifth, safety. Be safe every time, especially development and happiness for every family forever. Thank you so much.